In daily work activities, we move through various tasks and operations that extend beyond the confines of our workstations, encompassing different areas within the worksite. Navigating through changing environments, crossing heights, and maneuvering through crowded workspaces become routine. Having a heightened awareness of all working surfaces emerges as the foundation of workplace safety. Every workplace, regardless of its nature, involves a variety of tasks that go beyond individual workstations, necessitating movement across different areas of the worksite. This mobility exposes individuals to a range of potential hazards related to walking and working surfaces. Whether navigating through office spaces, maneuvering construction sites, or crossing heights, the awareness of these surfaces becomes a fundamental aspect of personal safety. Maintaining cleanliness and clarity in all areas where work is conducted is pivotal to reducing the risks associated with slips, trips, and falls. Clearing pathways of clutter, promptly addressing spills or leaks, and ensuring proper signage for potential hazards all contribute to a safe and hazard-free environment.